An algorithm is a fundamental concept in computer science and plays a crucial role in solving problems efficiently. Understanding the basics of algorithm design is essential for anyone interested in programming or computer science. At its core, an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure or a set of rules for solving a specific problem. It is like a recipe that guides a computer to perform a task. Algorithms can be found in various aspects of our daily lives, from search engines to recommendation systems and even in everyday tasks like sorting a list of names. The design of an algorithm involves careful planning and consideration of various factors. One of the key aspects of algorithm design is efficiency. An efficient algorithm is one that solves a problem in the most optimal way, using the least amount of resources such as time and memory. Efficiency is crucial, especially when dealing with large datasets or time-sensitive tasks. To design an algorithm, one must first understand the problem at hand. This involves breaking down the problem into smaller, more manageable subproblems. By dividing the problem into smaller parts, it becomes easier to devise a solution for each subproblem and then combine them to solve the overall problem. Once the problem is broken down, the next step is to devise a plan or strategy to solve each subproblem. This can involve various techniques such as iteration, recursion, or divide and conquer. Iteration involves repeating a set of instructions until a certain condition is met, while recursion involves solving a problem by breaking it down into smaller instances of the same problem. Divide and conquer, on the other hand, involves dividing a problem into smaller subproblems, solving them independently, and then combining the solutions. After devising a plan, the next step is to implement the algorithm using a programming language. This involves translating the algorithm into a set of instructions that a computer can understand and execute. The choice of programming language can depend on various factors such as the problem domain, available resources, and personal preference. Once the algorithm is implemented, it is important to test and evaluate its performance. This involves running the algorithm on different inputs and measuring its efficiency in terms of time and space complexity. Time complexity refers to the amount of time it takes for an algorithm to run, while space complexity refers to the amount of memory it requires. During the testing phase, it is common to encounter bugs or errors in the algorithm. Debugging is the process of identifying and fixing these errors. This can involve analyzing the code, running it in a debugger, or using various testing techniques such as unit testing or integration testing. In conclusion, understanding the basics of algorithm design is crucial for anyone interested in programming or computer science. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure or set of rules for solving a specific problem. Efficient algorithm design involves breaking down the problem, devising a plan, implementing the algorithm, and testing its performance. By mastering the fundamentals of algorithm design, one can become a more effective problem solver and programmer.